I'm Ho from Otuvy, Chief Product Officer. Running a business can be brutal. So many things can be massive time sucks, and time tracking and payroll is one of those things. So we have tried at Otuvy to make it easy for you. We've added time tracking to the Otuvy Frontline app that will be in the hands of your frontline employees. So you can manage their work, give them assignments, give them employee scorecards and recognize them, and do time tracking all in the same app. First, when you go to your admin portal and click on time tracking, you're going to see this toggle. This is where you turn on the function for your organization, and this will allow all of your team members to see the time tracking tab in their app right on their phone. This is also where you come to get the data for payroll. You put in the date range, choose which employees, you can select all and hit apply, and then choose whether you want overall, simple reporting, or details. Both should go into your payroll system. And then you're going to hit export and get a spreadsheet with all the time punches and all the data. This is what the export looks like, so you can put it into QuickBooks or whatever payroll system you use. Finally, let me show you what the employees will see in their app. They are just going to see a single button, clock in or clock out. That's all they have to do. It will show them everything that they've done today in terms of clock ins and outs, daily and weekly total, and it will show them their weekly breakdown so they know exactly what's coming in their paycheck. We hope this makes your life easier.